welcome back to the Now Mom. I'm Rachel Bennett, and today we are making Christmas goodies. And my favorite kind of Christmas goodie is the kind I don't cook. So today, we're gonna be showing you recipes that the kids can cook because they love to help me cook or dance around in the kitchen. And they're gonna be sharing some of their favorite recipes that they are cooking today. So make sure you watch to the very end because I'm sure there's gonna be a big mess somewhere happening.
First of all, I'm going to be doing the gingerbread cheesecake dip. So first we need heavy cream, cream cheese, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and molasses. So now all we need is 3/4 cup of half and half, 18-ounce package of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and cinnamon. In a stand mixer, beat the heavy cream on high until you get stiff peaks. It requires peaks, everybody. So we are going to beat 2/3 of half and half. Now, it is time to add the molasses, brown sugar, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Smells yummy. Instead of whipping cream, we're using Kool-Aid. We're using the whole thing. I'm going to make the chocolate butterscotch haystacks. Okay, the ingredients that you're gonna need are 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, pack of butterscotch chocolate chips, and some 4 cups of chow mein noodles. Put the butterscotch and the chocolate chips together, and we microwave them. And now I'm going to pour the chow mein noodles into the bowl. It's all about presentation. Gotta make it look nice.
Every Christmas we love to make these cookies, well, mainly me. These are Scottish shortbread cookies. This has always been a Christmas tradition. All it takes is flour, butter, and sugar. 2.5 cups of flour, so I put
and
flour
a little bit
in.
of spice.
Definitely. And I already have the sugar in there, but there's so much flour you can't see the sugar. And here comes the butter, but it's 2.5 cups flour, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1 cup butter, room temperature. So it's been in for like 20 minutes. Now you gotta cut it, or else it's solid and hard to cut later. And these ones are really thick. Normally you would cut it in half, but I wanted to try thick ones, so. And then you're gonna put them back in the oven for 10 more minutes.
Okay, Evie, what are you making? I am making jelly jam drops. Okay, guys, I got 2 eggs, a butter thing, some jam, some salt, some vanilla, sugar, and white flour. And salt in a different bowl, and now it's time to add it. Salt first. do 4 cups of flour. 4 cups in here and 1 teaspoon of salt in here. Now we will mix them together. Slowly pour it a little bit in. And then mix and fold. Okay, so we have made the batter, and now we have made all the little cookie things. Now we're going to put it into the oven and then put some jam in it. Right after you take them out, you put jam in them, and then you cook them for 3 minutes right after that. This is the part where we put jam on, and I love this part. Okay, this is finished. Now we're gonna let them cool and then we can eat them, and they're crunchy and delicious. I am making Christmas peppermint pretzels. And these are the ingredients you need. Candy cane Hershey Kisses, Twist pretzels, and M&M's. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Next, line the cookie dish with parchment paper. Next step, we're gonna put our pretzels in the cookie dish. We're gonna line them up tight, and then we're gonna add our candy cane Hershey Kiss on top. Once this is all full, we're gonna put it in the oven, and then after it's baked, we're gonna put it right on top. Once your dish is full, you're gonna bake to 5 to 6 minutes. And then you just let it sit, and then the chocolate will just reharden.
All right, it has come down to the wire. We are ready to eat our Christmas goodies. And the kids did an excellent job. These are all recipes that kids can cook mostly on their own. Again, if you have your children working on the stove or in the oven, make sure they have adult supervision. All right, Dad is going to take some of all of the goodies and he's gonna tell us which is his favorite. Okay. Oh, he's ready, okay. All right, first we have the butterscotch haystacks. Then second, we have Grandma's shortbread cookie. Now we have our pretzel peppermint cookies, jelly jam drops. And then last is not the cookies, but it is the dip. This is a gingerbread dip. So you can use pretzels or cookies.
Okay, this is sweet and easy. Let's try this little guy.
Pretzel peppermint.
What's nice is there's like the little crunchy M&M in there, and the pretzel, and the peppermint. Okay, shortbread, all-time favorite. When I first met Rach, it was a month and a half later, all of a sudden it was time to put up the Christmas tree, and their family cooked these, and I was like, that is, no matter what happens with her, that will be a family tradition from here on out.
What?
Good thing it worked out, too.
Oh my gosh.
Jelly jam drop.
Jelly jam drop cookies.
All spelled with J's, drop with a J.
Drop.
That's your strawberry freezer jam, isn't it?
It is.
It's so good.
Ooh, gingerbread dip. This?
No. Gingerbread cheesecake dip.
Oh, gingerbread cheesecake dip.
Somebody knows a lot about this subject.
This one is a new recipe we tried this year.
Wow, that's really good. It's like light and fluffy. And yet, ooh, good flavor. Okay. That's cool.
Okay, which is your favorite?
What if I dip the haystack in the ginger cheesecake thing?
Sure, is that your favorite?
I think that would be my favorite.
Oh.
Try it, let's see it. Okay, got the butterscotch and the gingerbread. Is that gonna be a good flavor?
That is awesome.
All right, the boys. Boys have won.
Oh yeah.
we're gonna share with you all of these recipes. Make sure you check out theohanaventure.com for full details on the blog with recipes. We did borrow a few recipes from some other sites, but some of these are homemade. Okay, this was really fun. You guys, give your kids the responsibility. Let them cook more, let them meal plan, because I do, because it's awesome. I enjoy cooking, but I enjoy eating too. So we're gonna have ourselves a little Christmas party. Woo! Thanks for hanging out, everybody, and hanging out with us on the Now Mom. You can follow me over on Rach Bennett or the Now Mom on Instagram. Also follow us on Facebook for more adventures, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.